can be made without subject and verb. But we know that there are other kinds of things, other things that in English, in grammar, that you need. We are not even going to talk about the punctuation, maybe apostrophe a little bit, but in a minute. So subject, verb, right? So let me talk about singular and plural subjects. So singular and plural subjects first, right? And then see how singular and plural subjects have to match the verbs, the actions. And this is where many people, especially those who are whose first language is not English, sometimes it does happen that there is a problem. So pay attention, right? So let's take three verbs in English, and I will do the singular, plural, and you can figure out and tell me if you know it already. So let's first do, okay, this is a simple one, right? Singular is I, right? I. What would be the verb that goes with it? Am, right? I am. You
are.
Very good. Are, right? Singular. We are just talking about singular here, right? He, she, and sometimes it. What would be the verb? Is. I am 57 years old. You are a young person. He is a young person, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or she is a tall person. It is big and tall, right? He, she, it takes the verb is, you, are, I, am, right? Let's do very quickly the plural ones. It's a little tricky to understand it like this and then use it in sentence. So I would be, we would take are. We are in this class together. You, who will take, what will you take? Which verb? Huh? You are, same thing, right? In this class with me. He, she, it is, right? So we know that. I mean, this we had already done, sorry. So we, they would be are, right?
Mm-hmm.
We, they, some people
Are.
Right? Here it is. It should be very simple. Even for Spanish and Portuguese speaker, that's what it is. You just have to use the corresponding one, right? And it would work out. So this seems simple, right? And we'll do the same thing with have, the verb, right? In Spanish it would be tener. So I, you,
Have.
she,
Has.
has, We,
have,
they,
have,
you all,
have,
Maybe had or two or no.
huh?
Maybe had today.
Had.
Yeah.
So had is
It's
the
past
same
tense.
version, but we are using the present tense, and that would be the past tense. So I'm only giving you the principle in present tense. With had, if you read the chapter, then it will give you, it gets more complicated. You'll have to know the present, the present continuous, past, future. But this is a simple version of it, right? With singular and plural subjects. Is that clear? This is all in the. It is all in that in the book, right? So this is in some ways the two things. Well, maybe I can also do something else in terms of do, right? Do. Let's do that. I do. You
do,
she
does,
he
does,
it does. It does the work of 5 people. Okay? We do. They do. You know the work, right? There are some verbs, there is a little bit of a problem. So I'm going to give you, this is subject verb agreement.